This is a tutorial on updating an SP page builder picture directory. So from your main Joomla dashboard, go to the SP page builder and click on pages. And then open up the directory that you are wanting to make an addition to. Once you're inside, this is what it will look like. I think it's a good idea at the same time to be able to look at what you are trying to edit so that you're really clear about what all of the pieces are. So the first part is a text box, and then there's another text box, and then all of the pictures are inside of these things called carousels. So to add another person or to change anything, you go to the carousel that you want to work in and you click the edit pencil. And then most of this is stuff you can just leave the way that it is, but I'll show some basic features. So this is this bottom carousel that has 3 pictures in it. So if we wanted to add another person to this carousel, then we would go here. These are the pieces of the carousel. This is where it says how many are displayed. Right here, there's 3 that are displayed. And I think that the easiest way to do this is to click on the duplicate button. So if you're adding a new person, just duplicate one that's already there. And then click on the gear to make a change. And you're going to change the name to whichever the new name is. So I'm just going to say new name, and I'm going to, just for sake of making it faster, copy that and then go down and paste it down here again. So the admin label means like for you when you're looking inside of Page Builder for you to know which person you're editing. And this is what will actually display on the website. And then you would remove the picture that is there and say choose another image. And if the image is already in here, then you just click on the image to add it, and then you would say insert. But most likely it won't be because this is a new person. So you'll just do the process of clicking upload file, pick the new picture of the new person, and include that new person. So then you'll click there, say insert, and then the only thing you have to change after that is the designation of the person, like what they are. And then down here at the bottom where it says social profiles, this is where their email is. So on the site, there's a little button, a little icon of an envelope that links into their email. And so to edit that, click on the gear button and just change their email address so that it matches what it's just the new email address. And then you would just click apply. And with everything that we do, you're gonna click the apply button, the green check, and then say save. And then when we refresh the page, there's now an additional person there. It does not immediately default to changing how many are displayed. That is an additional choice that you have. So if I go over here and I change the 3 to 4 and now press save and look at the picture, it will have updated. Oops, I don't think it's saved. It'll show the people. So it's pretty easy to add people into the carousels. And then you just save and close, and there you go.